A certain architecture supports indirect, direct, and register addressing mode for use in identifying the operands for arithmetic instructions. Now here, this particular architecture of a processor is supporting indirect, direct, and register addressing mode. And the type of the operation that this particular architecture is now performing is arithmetic instructions. We know the arithmetic group of instructions. What are the different instructions that are included in the arithmetic group that we know? Again, the examples of indirect, direct, and register addressing modes we are aware about. Now the question is, which of the following cannot be achieved with a single instruction? Now we will go through the options. Specifying a register number in instruction such that a register contain the value of an operand that will be used by operation. Specifying a register number in instruction such that the register contain the value of an operand that will be used by the operation. For example, take the example of multiplication instruction over here, mul al. Let us say it is a 2 operand instruction, mul al comma bl. So here the registers are specified. Now this particular architecture is already supporting register addressing mode. So this cannot be, means which of the following cannot be achieved with the single instructions. So this can be achieved because this is the register addressing mode and this particular architecture is supporting the register addressing mode. The second option is specifying the register number in the instruction such that the register will serve as a destination of operations output. So here you can see the register is actually specifying, the register is actually specifying here the destination for the result. For example, multiplication of AL and BL can be stored into AL register. So here the register number, specifying the register number in the instruction such that the register will serve as a destination of operation output. Here the register is serving as a destination of the operation. So this can be achieved. The third option is specifying the operand value in the instruction such that the value will be used by the operation. Specifying the operand value. Okay, so let's specify the operand value in the instruction only. So let us take an add instruction over here. Add al comma 05h. So add al comma 05h. This is the example of immediate addressing mode. This is the example of immediate addressing mode. So this particular architecture is not supporting immediate addressing mode. So this will become the statement which cannot be achieved with a single instruction. But let's see about the next option also, specifying the memory location. Okay, such that it contains the value of the operand that will be used by the operation. Specifying the memory location. Okay, we will specify the memory location. So specifying the memory location is also very simple, that move al comma specify the memory location. That is very simple. Anyone can specify any type of the memory location. This is one of the example that I am writing for specifying the memory location. So everybody knows that this is the example of direct addressing mode and your architecture is supporting direct addressing mode. So this is the answer C, which is actually cannot be achieved with a single instruction.